This Equitas Realty property video is presented by Amanda Moore. USDA loan eligible home equals no down payment. Open floor plan layout on over 3 acres of land. Private backyard has an in-ground pool with colored lights, fountains, a slide and a pool shed. Washer/dryer hookup is conveniently located on the first floor off the kitchen. Brand new Medallion soft close cabinetry, new granite countertops, new carpet on the stairs and upstairs and new LifeProof vinyl flooring throughout the first floor. Master bedroom has a private deck and master bathroom has a heart-shaped jacuzzi with a double sink vanity. Full basement has pellet stove, water storage and clay filtration system. Perfect basement to finish for playroom, game room, bar area, the possibilities are endless. Additional shed in backyard for storage for lawn mower, yard tools etc. For more information, review the details below.